Hello and welcome everybody once again to this channel. So in today's video we're going to go through the question 26 of the WAEC 2025 mathematics objective questions. So here it says a cylinder and a cone have same volume. If the height of the cone is 24 centimeter, find the height of the cylinder. Okay, option A is 4 centimeter. Option B is 8 centimeter. Option C is 12 centimeter. And option D is 16 centimeter. Okay, so let's go into solving this particular problem. To solve this problem now, we are going to use the formulas for the volume of a cylinder and that of a cone. We are going to equate them together because we are from the equation we are having that they both are equal. So the volume of a cylinder, let's call it VC, is equal to pi rho squared h. So since we're talking about the volume of a cone right now, of a cylinder, we're going to be having this as hc, right? Now, the volume of a cone, which is going to be like v, let's call it vx, right? Is equal to 1 over 3 pi rho squared hx. Okay. So equating both the volume of the cone and volume of the cylinder, we have that pi rho squared hc is equal to 1 over 3 pi rho squared hx. Okay, so we can cancel out pi from both sides. We can also cancel out the rho squared. So we mean that hc is equal to 1 over 3 hx. So we know that the volume of the cone was given to us, which is hx is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, so that means that hc is equal to 1 over 3 times 24 centimeter. And so there is a 3 in 3, which is once, and there's a 3 in 24, and that is 8. So therefore, the height of the cylinder is going to be equal to 8 centimeter, which is option B. So based on what we've learned in this video, here is a similar question for you to solve. It says, a cylinder and a cone have the same volume. If the height of the cone is 18 centimeter, find the height of the cylinder. And now the options are option A is 12 centimeter, option B is 6 centimeter, option C is 9 centimeter, and option D is 12 centimeter. So solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. If you like this video, help the channel by subscribing to the channel. Also share this video with your colleagues so they can also learn from this video. Without much further ado, I will leave you to eat that. Math is easy. Do have a nice day. Thank you.